I will now show you the operation of the PFM-5-BUF. Firstly, what we're going to do is we're going to flick this on-off switch to on, and then we're going to position our container underneath the nozzle. I've got the foot switch set up here on the table just for easy visualization. And so once you've pressed that, the container will now automatically start filling. This is what we call a bottom-up fill. And basically what that allows it to do is that the nozzle is filling from a small height above the liquid level in the container. And that can help reduce foaming or frothing for those kind of products. And so what I would do now is I would just grab another container and fill that.